Jay with J5 Speed Shop. Thanks for tuning in. Here next to me is the 65 GTO that me and the boys have been working on. We've had this project for a little over a year. We're going to do a detailed video of the progress of over the project. It has a LS3 with a T56, QA1 suspension components. Tech hooked us up with the fuel injection system for that LS. Dakota digital gauge cluster, billet specialty wheel, Eddie Motorsport hood hinges. The list goes on and on. I appreciate everybody's help and everyone that hooks us up with products, and enjoy the show. Thanks for tuning into this video. I look forward to filming more for you guys. Like and subscribe our YouTube page. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. I think that's all we got. Thanks a lot and have a wonderful day.